Chapter 4: Reproduction in Animals. Lifespan is a period of one's life. All living things have certain lifespan. They die when their lifespan is over. Living beings produce their own kind to ensure the continuity of generations. The process by which living things produce their own kind is called reproduction. Animals reproduce in two ways. Some animals give birth to babies or young ones. Some animals lay eggs from which their young ones hatch. Animals that give birth to young ones. Animals that give birth to young ones are called mammals. They have hair on their bodies. They feed their young ones with their own milk. Most mammals live on land and breathe through lungs. Tigers, lions, goats, dogs, elephants, horses, rabbits, and human beings are mammals. Whales and dolphins are mammals, but they do not have hair on their bodies. Before being born, the young ones grow inside the body of their mother. After the birth, the young ones need care. The parents take care of their baby. Mother feeds the baby with her milk. The babies need protection till they can take care of themselves. Do you know animals like kangaroos carry their young ones in their pouch? These animals are known as marsupials. Animals that lay eggs. Birds, fishes, snakes, frogs, and insects are some animals that lay eggs. Their young ones hatch from the eggs. Structure of an egg. Eggs are covered by a protective hard covering called an eggshell. The center of an egg contains the yolk. The bright white spot on the yolk develops into a baby. The yolk provides nourishment to the growing baby or embryo. The white, watery substance surrounding the yolk is known as albumin. It protects the embryo from jerks and shocks. Different stages of development from an embryo to an adult is known as the life cycle of an animal. Life cycle of a bird. The adult birds keep their eggs warm by sitting on them. This process is called incubation. Inside the egg, the embryo goes through different stages of development. When it is fully grown, it breaks open the shell and comes out as a chick. This is known as hatching. The chick grows to become an adult bird. Life cycle of a fish. A fish lays thousands of eggs at a time. These eggs do not have shells. The eggs are surrounded by a kind of jelly, which protects the egg from water and predators. However, many eggs and young fish are eaten by bigger fish. Only a few of them grow to become adult fish. Life cycle of a frog. Frogs live on land, but they lay their eggs in water. A female frog lays eggs in clusters called spawns. These eggs are protected by a jelly-like substance. Tadpoles hatch from these eggs. They resemble like a small fish. These tadpoles start developing legs as they grow. In about 12 weeks, they transform into adult frogs. The complete change in an organism while growing through different stages of its life cycle is known as metamorphosis. Life cycle of reptiles. Reptiles like lizards, snakes, crocodiles, and turtles also lay eggs. Snakes usually lay eggs in loose soil or sand, while turtles and crocodiles dig shallow pits near river banks. The eggs get warmth from the sunlight and hatch in the absence of parents. Some reptiles, like crocodile, look after their eggs and young ones. Life cycle of insects. Insects lay eggs which go through several stages to become adult insects. These stages show metamorphosis. The life cycle of a housefly has 4 stages. A housefly lays hundreds of eggs at a time. A larva hatches out of the egg. It is called a maggot. A maggot looks like a worm without legs and wings. It builds a cocoon around itself to form a pupa. Later, the pupa bursts open and the housefly comes out. Similarly, butterflies and moths also develop through the same stages. Grasshoppers and cockroaches have 3 stages in their life cycle. A young cockroach that develops from an egg is called a nymph. It does not have wings and sheds its skin several times before becoming an adult. This process of constantly shedding the old skin is known as molting. The larva of a butterfly is called a caterpillar.